I have this Leevot Grain Mill. Essentially, you grind your grains, coffee, whatever grains you want to grind, you can grind in here. This is the 150 gram capacity model, so you can get multiple different sizes. It has little suction cups on the bottom, so it doesn't like move around easily. Like for example, to take it off, I'm gonna have to unsuction these suction cups. So it keeps it stable. And essentially, you just leave it in there longer if you want a finer or coarser ground. And so I've been using it to make flours and stuff like that. So this is barley in here, and we're gonna grind some and see how it turns out. As far as the top, it's very easy. You kind of just put it on, and then you slide it in place, and then you swing the arms up. This whole construction is stainless steel, so it's very strong. It comes with a little brush to clean the inside, comes with a sieve as well. So you can see in this bag, you have the brush to clean the inside. You have an extra blade assembly as well. And then you have the carbon springs as well. So you have multiple things, extras included, just in case you need replacement over time. So that's nice. And this is the sieve that's included. So let's go ahead and turn on the grinder and see how it works. So this is just a timer. If you heard the change in the ground, you can hear that the grinding of the blades becomes smoother and softer, and that's how you can tell how well it must be ground. And let's run a spoon through here and see how soft it is. As you can see, it's very fluffy, very finely ground. So this was less than a minute of grinding, and you can see it grounded very finely. And you can of course make it grind more fine or coarse depending on how you'd like. So you just time it accordingly. You just have to listen to the grind volume. You can see it, hear it getting quieter or more smoother, and that's how you know that it's done grinding. But yeah, this is super easy to clean as well. It's stainless steel, so you can use stainless steel utensils in there to scrape out your flour. You can always use the brush included to scrape it out as well. And you don't wash it, you just kind of clean it with a brush, because if you wash it, it's going to rust, because like I said, it's steel. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.